might run a tiny little bit smoother, but it's running about the same she would at 1100 RPM. But should get slightly better cooling at this speed. So we're getting quite a nice amount of airflow there. Running out at the moment. About 1,330 odd RPM.
Maytag's probably been going for about half an hour now. Probably enough for a nice little run. And pretty pleased with the speed it's running at now. Let's keep it a little bit cooler. Seems to stop the old fuel leak out the back of that Warren bushing. Yeah, it seems to run quite happy at that speed. You can stop it at the bowing up the plugs as well, runs slightly quicker. Anyway, let's stop her there then.
It didn't take much to stop it there. That's probably about as far on the mixture as I could ever run it around. We are getting a wee little bit of fuel on the flywheel now, so I think the old bushing on the flywheel side is following shortly behind the bushing on this side.
Oh well, that's quite a job to replace those. We'll see how we're going, but she should be okay for a long time to come.
finally got around to adjusting the old mixture wheel on this Maytag. Before it was all in the wrong place, so now it's completely shut off and the start is here, so a quarter of a turn now brings start up to the top, so now the engine will be ready to start up, and now another quarter of a turn brings it out halfway to the run position, and then you keep on turning it until the engine stops. So yeah, we finally got that sorted out. It didn't take much at all. All you do is loosen off this lock nut here. It's just an ordinary nut, but it just tightens up against the actual tube here, which stops it from turning, and now it's locked in place. So you just undo that, turn that around, make sure that's in the fully closed position, and then you can adjust that to suit. It doesn't make any difference to obviously the engine running, but now the lettering lines up, which makes it a little bit easier to tell when you've got the mixture a quarter of a turn around starting, half turn around for running. So yeah, it's not looking too bad now. Just gonna look at taking the flywheel off. We're not going to do that today, but it's a job for the future. But also we're going to see if we can get a length of flexi exhaust for it. Yeah, that's something else to look into as well.